Thank you, Infernala, for suggesting this recipe. Hey guys, and welcome to Cooking with Speedos. Today we're making hrenovina, or as I like to call it in English, the horseradish dish, because we're gonna need a bunch of horseradish. Anyway, what is this recipe about? Well, it's just a really simple mix that makes a really good bread spread that will cure all the disease. It will cure the hangover. It cure the cancer. It's the best stuff on the planet. We're gonna need some horseradish and a bunch of garlic. Right now, this will make for the very spicy, the very sour taste in the recipe. So be careful how much you can handle of this, because this stuff is rough. The second part are tomatoes, and we add a lot of these, depending on how much you can handle, really, of this horseradish and garlic stuff. So I usually go 2 horseradish pieces and about 3 tomatoes. You can have 2, you can have 4, however you like the taste. I actually seen people only just eat this with the garlic and the horseradish, which is just like insane. It tastes really, it will make a fire in your mouth, bro. You can also add a nice little pepper if you want to add to the sweetness, but it's not necessary at all. What we have to do is peel the horseradish, peel the garlic, cut it all up, and put it into a blender, and it will be basically done. This is the life. Peeling some horseradish to make the horseradish dish. My eye. It's like peeling an onion. Oh, my fucking eyes. Oh. Have you ever smelled rotten garlic? It's like the asshole of an old man. Fuck. Okay, now we wash and cut up the tomatoes. Check this out. Now all we need to do is put this stuff into a blender. And there we go. And that's more like it. Oh, look at that. For extra flavor, I like to add 1 teaspoon of salt. Nice. Should be good when the hrenovina has become a complete mush. Now, I cut the horseradish pieces too big, so you can see there's a lot of stuff poking out. Normally you would have just a complete mush, but this is still fine and still good. Time to eat. God damn it, it's strong. It's strong as hell. This will like burn out all your stomach worms, man. I gotta bite. My eyes are watering, but that's some excellent hrenovina. It's like licking the asshole of God. This has been Cooking with Speedos. Bye bye.